What's up guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. So today I will be installing this new LED headlight bulbs in my Aprilia RSV4. As you can see here in the box, 6000 lumens, 50 watts, waterproof. I don't know why they just decide to stick the barcode in top of the information with a lot of free room here inside. But well, anyway, you also get, in case you don't want your headlights to be white, you also get for free golden light film and the light blue film so if you want the headlights to be in those colors. So what's inside of the box? You get the films, as I've just told you. Just glue this to the headlights in case you want them to be in these colors. You have the manual product. In here you can have the installation guide. It's not hard to do, I will show you in just a minute. And these headlight bulbs are under warranty. So in here you have the headlights. They seem to have really good quality, and of course they will give much light than the stock ones. Really good. So to install these ones, you will have to remove this front side of the headlight bulb like this. You just remove this. You will install this piece where your stock headlight is in the correct position, like this. And then you just get the headlight bulb and just stick it in place with the headlight like this, with the lumens to the sides. Both will be looking the sides. Don't put it like this, but I will show you in just a minute how you do. So guys, to remove the headlight bulb, you will have to remove this cap here. So you just turn clockwise and then it comes right off. So then you unplug the headlight bulb like this, just pull it, and then there's something that holds the bulb in place. So here we go, really easy to do. There you go. And then so guys, you just get the new LED headlights, and then you can see that you can rotate this headlight, you see. So remember something, the lumens have to be facing the sides, never one up and one down like this. So once this is in the correct place, the lumens have to be facing the side. So you just unplug this from the headlight. First you will have to put this on place, and then you just pop the headlight in the position that I've just told you. So take your time, put this in the correct position. This part here has to face up in this bike. In other bikes, I'm not sure which way it has to be facing, but in this one it has to be facing up. So take your time, put it right on place. There you go, right on place. So then you just get the bulb and you first you can connect this, then you hide the wires inside of the headlight, just like that, and then you plug the headlight right on place. Then you will have to hide the wire just like this, and then you come to the front of the headlight, and the lumens have to be facing the sides as I've told you. Well, they are right in the right position. Then, my friends, just get the cap, put it right on place, here we go, and it's ready. I'm just going to show you one side of the headlight installation, so we have a shorter video because the other side is the same thing. So just do the other side as we did to this one.